Hello guys, good morning. Today we will work on our language notebook. Be ready. Okay, this is Miss Ana Luisa Bermeda Hipólito and we're in 5th grade. Okay, we will talk about linking verbs. A linking verb links the subject of a sentence with a word or words in the predicate. It does not show action. Okay, it is followed by a word in the predicate that names or describes the subject. So pay attention, okay? Linking verbs does not show action, names or describes after the linking verb in the predicate. Copy that in your notebook. Let's read these examples, okay? Anna looks cheerful. The linking verb is looks, and the linking verb help us to describe how Anna feels or looks. Cheerful, okay? Now let's read the second example. Anna is a lifeguard. Now the linking verb is. And is connecting two words, Anna and lifeguard. So it's naming Anna as a lifeguard. Okay, we have a note right there. Linking verbs names and describes, okay? Pay attention. Copy that in your notebook. We have here some examples, okay? Some verbs can be either linking verbs or action verbs. That means that sometimes the verb could be an action and sometimes the verb could be a linking verb. Let's read the first example. The crowd look at the divers. Okay, that's an action because it's telling what the crowd is doing, looking at the divers. Now let's read the next example. The divers look tired. Now, here in this sentence, the word look, it telling you or describing how the divers look tired. So sometimes the verb could be either action or linking. So you have to think and read carefully to see what is the sentence telling. Copy that in your notebook. Okay, here you have some of the most common linking verbs. Okay, this is important to remember. Okay, am, is, are, was, were, will be, look, looks, looked, taste, smell, seem, seems, appears. Now, I want you to pay attention on the verbs that has the letter S, like in look, looks. We use look when the subject is plural, and we use looks when the subject is singular, or we use looked with past, okay? So the form of the verb could be in present or past, singular or plural. Okay, so that's why I wrote so many of them. Now, I want you to go to your Workbook Plus on page 42. Okay, it says write the verbs in each sentence and label each verb linking or action. I want you to underline with red the linking verb. Give me a second. Let me have the color. Okay, let's read sentence. Hawaii is the youngest state in the United States. So we're going to underline the verb is. Okay, let's underline is. And it says that you have to write or label if it's linking or action. Okay, Hawaii and young. So it's describing Hawaii as a young state. So it describes, it's linking verb. We will write on the line linking. Linking verb. Let's write on the line linking verb. Or linking. Okay. Very good. Now let's read number 2. Hawaii is attractions. Hawaii's attractions are famous. Okay. Now here the verb is are. Okay. And it's describing how the attractions are famous. So the linking verb is are. You underline the verb and write in the line linking. And you will continue doing the same with number 3, 4, 5, and 6. Okay, so let's go to letter B. I'm going to help you with letter B. It says underline the linking verb in each sentence and draw an arrow showing the words that the verb links. So we have to think which two words were connected with the linking verb. So let's read number 7. Farm products are a source of income for Hawaiians. Okay, now we know that the linking verb is are. So let's circle or underline the linking verb. Whatever, you could circle or underline. Okay, now it says that we have to use an arrow. An arrow is a flecha to connect the two words that were connected or joined by the linking verb. It's products and source with a different color. We will connect from products to source like that with an arrow. And let's do number 8. Foreign markets seem interest in the island many crops. Now we know that the verb is seem. You have the box in your notebook. Always have your notebook and your notes. And the two words that were connected, markets and interest. Okay? It's describing how the market seem. Okay? So you will continue number 9, 10, 11, and 12. Now let's go to page 43. Now, 43. You're visiting the imaginary tropical island of Tralala, and you will complete the following sentences about the island. You will write a linking verb in the box. You have here the boxes. Okay, you will write right there a linking verb. Remember that you have them in your notebook. And then you will add words that names or describe the subject of the sentence. So let's do number 1. It says the climate of the island. So we're talking about the climate. You can describe the climate or name the climate. So we are going to use the verb is because climate is singular. Okay, the climate of the island is warm. Warm and rainy. Very good. Period. Now, you see, if you use the linking verb and you write the linking verb in the box and then you complete the sentence. Okay, let's write another one. The flowers here, and if you notice, the word flowers is in plural. So we know that we need to use a verb form in plural. The flowers are, because it's for plural. Flowers are colorful, beautiful, lovely. We are describing the flowers. Hmm? The flowers here are colorful at the island, period. You see, we're going to identify if the subject is singular or plural to decide which form of the verb used. Now, let's read number 3. The animals of the island. Okay, now we know the animals is in plural, so we need a verb in plural. The animals of the island looked, okay? Tiny and cheerful. Okay, there you go. You have number 3. Number 4, strange fruits. Fruit is in plural. Now we're talking about fruits. Taste. Strange fruits taste delicious and juicy. See? Now let's go number 5. Several bubbling steams. Steams is in plural. Appear dangerous. We're describing. Appear dangerous. Or several bubbling steams are hot. We're describing. Okay? The people of this island are native. R is for people. And native is naming the people. Mhm. A huge bird seemed harmless. We're describing the bird that does not produce any harm. Okay? So I already helped you with the sentences. If you pay attention, you may copy the sentences I told you, or you can use your own sentences. Okay? Now, the rest of the activities will be on your portfolio. Okay? Goodbye, guys. See you.